Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Realty. Just a real quick update on Verdana Village. It's going to be a quick one because we're just going to look at the amenity center and just the progress of my personal property. So let's hit it off. So we're going from the beginning here. Yes, I'm a little bit of a nerd. But anyway, cool. Big thing here, development is definitely the commercial sector. So on March, even prior to March 24th, which was a Friday, they had all the casting in for the drainage pipes, all the water coming through. And then if you look in this distance here, they're starting to do some forms of the building. So this is the big development that we've seen. And actually, when I was there on yesterday, which was Monday, it was a lot more progress. There was actually a building getting built up here. There, I saw some form work getting done. Let's just jump into the amenity center here. There's a monster gator that's going around from pond to pond. Here's the amenity center. So the exterior of the building is totally done. Like this is the finished product, all painted, nicely done. There's also a video, part one of this video, where I have like inside of the amenity center. So here we'll just have a quick drone over here. Yeah, see, it's kind of nice, that coastal look of the property. No more Mediterranean. Bittersweet, I guess, being Italian, but ultimately it is the advancement in architecture, that's for sure. Let's keep hustling here. Bocce courts were installed. So they have the outline here. This was all getting done when I was droning over. So cool. We used to have one of these in Italy, in Treviso, where my family house is. So we actually had our own private bocce courts. And on a Friday night, my uncle and his friends would grab a gallon of wine, red wine, and throw balls, and also probably a keg of beer. I mean, those guys go hard in the paint in Italy, that's for sure. Yeah, pool's all formed, nicely done. Obviously, they're waiting now for the rest of the landscaping here. Then they're going to finish the inside of this pool. Then this, again, I keep saying it, but there's another building that's getting staked out here now. That needs to be done. They did the interlock on the side of the building. You'll see it in my first video. So not much to see here. This is actually more of a finished product than the pool is right now. They kind of put this sort of like a layer. I don't know if this is some sort of protection layer for the concrete when it gets, I guess, heavily in moisture. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm not. This was kind of a weird. I don't know what that was. But it's got to be something to do with the. Oh, actually, it is. It's a water line. I think I went right into it with the drone at some point. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. There's a water line. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the amenity center. It's looking good. Now we do a quick flight over to our primary residence now, which we're really excited about. I mean, I sell houses for a living, but it's nothing. We've never got one built to our spec, which is cool. We always bought resale and stuff like that. Obviously, when you get married and you're building a career, you just kind of take what's there, and you don't care. You just keep moving. But this is finally, at 41 years old, we get to do something like this. This is the cool house. Like, this is so exciting. There's our Rosen model. You kind of get the outline of our lot, which is cool. It's a big gator here. Usually, I don't know if that's him there, but I saw him yesterday. He's pretty large. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I think our lot comes around here, something of that nature. Couldn't get in front of the property just because of the drone was having trouble at this point here. I was losing connection. So just having a quick look at the commercial. So there you go, well underway. So it's not a very large site, but ultimately it's gonna fuel our neighborhood in the neighboring neighborhoods. But that's pretty much it, guys. You have any questions about Verdana Village? Actually, we just sold another one to a client just yesterday. They firmed up, so that's cool. Yeah, we're happy to help. Like I said, we have interest in the property, and we're able to kind of get you guys negotiate you through the times here with Pulte and get you more than likely a better deal than what's advertised. So give us a call. We'd be happy to help you guys out. Have a great day. Ciao.